Dear students, today we will discuss about the isomerism in coordination compounds. Isomers are the compounds which have same molecular formula but different structures and hence different physical and chemical properties. Isomers can be broadly classified into two major categories: stereoisomerism and structural isomerism. Stereoisomerism further divided into geometrical and optical isomerism, whereas structural isomerism is of linkage isomerism, ionization isomerism, coordination isomerism, solvate or hydrate isomerism, coordination position isomerism, and polymerization isomerism types. First is ionization isomerism. In this type of isomerism, the difference arises from the interchange of groups within or outside the coordination spheres. Therefore, these isomers give different ions in solution. Thus, ionization isomers are the compounds which have same molecular formula but give different ions in solution. For example, these two isomers having the formula cobalt pentaamine bromium sulfate. One of these is red violet and forms a precipitate with barium chloride, indicating the sulfate ion is outside the coordination sphere. The second one is red and does not form precipitate with barium chloride but forms a precipitate of silver bromide with silver nitrate, indicate that bromide ion is outside the coordination sphere. Second is linkage isomerism. This type of isomerism is exhibited by complexes containing monodentate ligands having more than one donor atom. These are also called as ampidentate ligands. Therefore, in these ligands, there exist two possibilities in the mode of attachment to the metal atom or ion. For example, in nitrate ion, the nitrogen atom as well as oxygen atom can donate their lone pairs. This gives rise to isomerism. If nitrogen donates its lone pair, one particular compound will be formed. If oxygen donates its lone pair, a different compound is obtained. If the bonding is through nitrogen, the ligand is named as nitro, and if the bonding is through oxygen, it is named as nitrito. Here two examples are shown. In first, bonding is through nitrogen, that's why it is a nitroisomer, and in second, bonding is through oxygen, that why it is its nitrito isomer. Third is coordination isomerism. This isomerism occurs in compounds containing both cationic and anionic complexes and occurs because of different distribution of the ligands. The examples are given: tetraamine zinc 2, tetraamine cuprate 2. Its corresponding isomer will be tetraamine copper 2 and tetraamine zincate 2. Fourth one is hydrate isomerism. This type of isomerism is similar to ionization isomerism. In some cases, water can occur in more than one way inside and outside the coordination sphere as a coordinated group or a water of hydration. Thus, hydrate isomerism arises from the replacement of a coordinated group by water of hydration. For example, there are three isomers having the molecular formula chromium trichloride, 6 molecules of water. These are CrH2O whole 6 Cl3, which is hexa aqua chromium chloride, penta aqua chlorochromium, and tetra aqua dichlorochromium. In these three isomers, in first, all the 6 water molecules are inside the coordination sphere. In second, one molecule of water is outside the coordination sphere, and in last, there are 2 water molecules which are outside the coordination sphere. Fifth is coordination position isomerism. In polynuclear complexes, an interchange of ligands between the metal nucleus gives rise to coordination position isomerism. For example, here example is given. Sixth is polymerization isomerism. This is not a true isomerism. It is used to denote compounds having the same empirical formula but different molecular formula. For example, Two complexes of platinum are given which have the same empirical formula but different molecular formula. These are known as polymerization isomers.